Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Ipsy Glam bag, the Ipsy original for the month of February. I love the new packaging, but I really like the new packaging. It's definitely giving old school Ipsy where we kind of just had a classic pink package, if you will. The Ipsy Glam bag is roughly $14 a month. We get 5 travel try me size items. Occasionally we do get full size items, and we also get a little cosmetics bag. I have received and paid for my OG original Ipsy Glam bag since March of 2015. And I love it. I absolutely think we get a really great selection, generally speaking, and it's a great bang for your buck. So we're gonna go in. I hope everybody is well. Do you have any birthdays coming up? Do you get the Ipsy Glam bag? What did you get this month? What are you hoping to get this month? Okay, I'm feeling something inside the actual bag. We have a set of brushes, and I am somebody that thinks that you cannot ever have too many brushes. These say Real Perfection. I actually like the packaging and stuff as well. Ooh, yeah, these are pretty. All right, here's a little bit of a better look. It's almost giving like tortoise shell, if you will. Okay, I like that. Not quite as soft as I generally like, but sometimes having a little bit more of kind of a scratchy brush aids in blending, so I'm not mad at it at all. I like these. I'm actually putting these in my little container right now because I know I'm going to get some good use out of them. All right, so starting off with a bang. Next up, we'll just grab the whole entire bag out. It's cute, but it feels very, very cheap this month. I mean, like very cheap. There is our little zipper pull. It's a beautiful kind of faux croc. Yeah, I don't like how that feels or smells. Woo, hello lighting. Sorry about that, y'all. All right, we generally get a little informational card. It will give pertinent details and stuff like that. Important dates. Generally, we do not have the products in here. I like if they're going to send this to us, I want the information about my products. You can scan the QR code though to find out information about the products. Next up is the NOUE, the Skin Filter Serum with 1% retinol, 6.5% AHAs, Skin Barrier Alt Retinol. It is a little sample. If you're going to test out something like this, I definitely recommend starting very slow. Use it 1 to 2 times a week to start with, and make sure you're following up with sunscreen. Okay, next up, another tube. This is the Tula Skincare, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser, and that's actually a 1 ounce container, so pretty good size. All right, next up is the Milani Liquid Contour shade in 02 Ginger. I don't often like products like these. I'm just not a fan of like the cushion applicators. I feel like they just get a little bit messy and stuff. That's personal preference. And then last in my bag is an Ofra eyeliner in brown. I kind of recently got a black one. I'm not mad at it, but my profile specifically says that, like, I want these like rarely. So not blowing my socks off. I like the brushes. I like skincare in my bag. These two probably I will pass along. And anything that I know that I'm not going to keep will generally end up in my resale group over on Facebook, and that's always linked down below. I'm gonna give it like a 3 out of 5. Not blowing my socks off. I mean, I overall think it's an okay selection. I definitely know that there are people that would have absolutely loved getting both of these, but I just received a liner, and I generally don't use products like these. So pretty much out of the entire thing, I'll probably use these. And then of course I like the brushes. And my profile is I have light to medium skin. I have dark eyes, dark hair. I'm very comfortable with makeup, but I have a preference for skincare. So getting only 2 skincare products, I know I'm the opposite to a lot of people. I prefer like a 3-2 gearing more towards skincare. And this was a little bit more kind of makeup heavy if you include, you know, makeup brushes as makeup products. So yeah, not blowing my socks off. I will say this feels very not, I do not like the texture of this at all. I mean, it's cute. It's cute as hell, don't get me wrong. Not my favorite selection this month. I will note too, the Ipsy Mega Drop Shop is now open. It's open from 2/9 to 2/25, and I did get like a little sneaky peeky. Like there are some really, really good deals, and being able to shop that way and shop the Mega Drop Shop and stuff like that for gifts, to have product for my resale group and things like that, I love that. I will note too that our theme for the month is For the Love of You, February 2026. From your feel-good playlist to your most decadent skincare, this month is your invitation to romance yourself with the self-care you deserve. And I kind of wish, I like when a bag, like the theme, is represented in the products that we get. I think they nailed it in terms of the actual bag, in terms of it being pink and having the heart and stuff like that. In terms of like February, Valentine's Day, self-love, things like that. I would have liked to have seen maybe something red, some pinks, some berries, something like that, like a pretty lip gloss, a shimmer lip oil or something like that. But yeah, not blowing my socks off, y'all. I feel, honestly, this is one of my least favorite bags I feel like I've received kind of recently. I really feel like, specifically with the Icon or the Ultimate box, like they freaking hit that out of the park. So maybe I'm a little let down in terms of kind of what that had in it. But maybe you guys can chime in and let me know what you guys thought. Are we bag twins this month? Comment down below and let me know. Let's have that conversation. Thank you all so much for joining. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. It also helps if you watch the video in its entirety. It also helps me a ton if you share my content out. So thank you in advance. You can also hype this video. You can turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member to get some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Happy Valentine's Day.